Huh. Your question is aeroplane. An aeroplane having wings length 40 meter is flying with constant speed 1080 1080 kilometers per hour in eastward direction, in east direction, in northern hemisphere, where vertical component of automatic field is 1.75 into 10 raised to negative 5 Tesla. You have to determine individual electromotive force across the ends of the wings. You have to determine individual electromotive force across the ends of the wings. ठीक है? तो when aeroplane fly in east direction, ठीक है? In east direction, then it wings cut vertical component of automatic field. हाँ? ठीक है? Suppose this is your aeroplane. ठीक है? और this is flying in, this is your north, ठीक है? और this is your east. ठीक है? Aeroplane is flying in the direction. Its wings will be in the direction. Its wings will be in the direction. Wings of aeroplane. ठीक है? So these wings cut vertical component of automatic field. When they fly at constant speed, then these wings cuts vertical component of automatic field. ठीक है? BB. ठीक है? The vertical component of automatic field, we suppose this. ठीक है? Oh. So this is the direction of automatic field. Its vertical component will be perpendicular to this, perpendicular to the wings. Its vertical component will be perpendicular to the wings like this. ठीक है? And wings are running in the direction. ठीक है? So they cut this component, vertical component. So when wings cut vertical component of automatic field, then individual electromotive force is set up across the ends of the wings. ठीक है? Give up your pen. So this is the direction of automatic field is in the direction of north. ठीक है? So north you have shown automatic field in north direction. ठीक है? और wings are horizontal because aeroplane is moving at constant altitude. ठीक है? So direction of wings will be this. ठीक है? Vertical component of automatic field. Vertical component of automatic field. So this is the direction of wings. This is the direction of vertical component of automatic field. Both are mutually perpendicular. ठीक है? तो when these wings run in each direction, then it cut vertical component of automatic field. So individual electromotive force is set up. Okay. So we have to find individual electromotive force. So individual electromotive force is given by L is in SI system, V is in SI system. So chain speed in SI system. So V is equal to 1080 km per hour. So to change kilometer per hour into minute per second, divided by 580, multiply it by 580. ठीक है? तो then you get V is equal to 1080 into 5 by 18. 18 1 जा 18 6 जा 108. So V is equal to 60 into 5. So V is equal to 300 meter second minus 1. The speed of plane is this. Individual electromotive force E is equal to L VB sin theta. L VB sin theta. ना? So right value. So E is equal to Right value of L. L is 40. Speed is 300. Vertical component of magnetic field is 1.75 into 10 raised power negative 5. Since vertical component, so theta is 90 degree, sin 90. So multiply. So 12,000 into 1.75 into 10 raised power negative 5 into 1. ठीक है? तो plus 3. तो 12 into 1.75 into 10 raised power minus 2. Multiply. So 12 5 जा 60. 12 7 जा 84 6 90. ठीक है? और 12 1 जा 12 9 21. ठीक है? तो this one after 2 digits from right. 10 raised power minus 2. तो 20 into 10 raised power minus 2 is equal to 0.21 volt. ठीक है? 10 raised power minus 2 means we have to divide 21 by 100. When we divide 21 by 100, then we get 0.21 volt. So this is the magnitude of Indian electromagnetic force induced across the ends of the wings of the plane.